This video I want to show you how we can find the mean, median, and mode for a simple question like this. We have a chart full of data. I have entered it in Excel, and then I can just enter in the formulas to have it calculated for me. So for mean, we hit equal sign because we want it to calculate something. Then we start typing average, and we can just highlight the numbers that we would like to average. So there we go. Okay. Now for the median, same process. Equal sign, median, highlight the numbers you want to find the median. There it is. For the mode, this is a little bit more tricky. You have to decide if you want a multi-mode, which means there could be more than one number that are the mode, or a single. For this problem, I'm going to choose multi, and I am going to highlight the numbers, and there we go. And you can see that those are indeed the correct answers. Alright, I hope this helps. Thank you.